What's going on YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you quickly how to install aokp 1.4 along with the tweaks. Now the tweaks are going to say battery life, fixed GPS, and all those other things. Pay attention closely to the video, so let's get into it here. This video is for the people that don't know how about flashing ROMs and they're a little leery, you know. Just watch the video and you get the idea of how you would do it. The first thing I do is I do Calkin's whiteboard format. Alright. So you go to choose it from a SD card, click the home button. Scroll down with the up and down volume rockers. You're going to do the Calkin's format all. Hit the home button again. And then you're going to hit yes. And that's just going to format everything, cache, delve it, all that stuff. So let that do that. Done already, hit the home button. Yeah, it's already there, so hit it. There we go. Then after I do that, I do where is it here? The wipe data factory reset. And that wipes everything. I do 2 wipes. And then I do the wipe cache partition. And then you want to go into advanced and you want to wipe delve cache. After you do all that, you go back, and then you want to do install it from SD card. Choose it from SD card, and you're gonna go then you're going to choose the aokp Jelly Milestone 1.4. Click on that. It's going to say yes, do you want to install? You hit the home button and then it should install. And as you guys can see, install an update. It may take a little bit there. It'll stay complete when it's finished. And there it goes. Install SD card complete. Then you hit reboot phone or reboot system now. And your phone should reboot and boot into the aokp. And there you go. That's how you install the aokp Milestone 1.4. And to install the Jelly apps, same exact concept. Same exact way. Just install yes. And it's basically that easy. Alright guys. I'm going to let this boot up. And keep this video nice and simple. I'm going to do another video after this talking about the ROM, going over everything. Alright guys, I'm out. Peace.